Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Make sure you have admin access and your laptop is awake and unlocked. Once done, press Win+I on Windows or Open System Preferences on Mac OS. This gets you directly into system settings. Then, navigate to Time and Language on Windows or Keyboard Input Sources on Mac OS. This is where keyboard language is live. Make sure to pause when the menu loads. You will add a new layout next. You're already on the fastest path, so keep the settings window visible and proceed. Now you add the language. Click Add a Language on Windows or the plus button under Input Sources on Mac OS, then search and select the language you want. Pick the precise keyboard layout variant that matches your needs. Once added, configure options. On Windows, choose Options to download language pack if needed. On Mac OS, reorder input sources to prioritize. Make sure to set or note the switch shortcut, Alt plus Shift, Win plus Space, or a custom hotkey, so you can flip keyboards instantly while typing. Finish by testing. Open Notepad or text edit and type to verify characters match the selected layout. If keys differ, open the on-screen keyboard to compare visually, then adjust layout order or remove unintended input sources. Make sure Input Indicator or Language Bar is visible so you can switch quickly. If problems persist, restart the system, update keyboard drivers and language packs, and confirm regional settings match. One troubleshooting tip: toggle the on-screen keyboard to diagnose physical versus layout issues. It often reveals the mismatch immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.